I was sent this foil and plastic wrap dispenser to try out, and I am excited to see how it'll work. So let's get it opened up. So it's made of bamboo, which is really nice. And then it has this little latch over here that you open it up. And then you have your compartments for your foil and your plastic. And it even comes with little stickers that you can label which ones, so you're always putting them back in the same little spots. I like that idea. And then this is kind of nice. You can mount it on the wall. It has not just the hardware, but also the holes so that you can mount it on the wall if you want it, or even in your drawer, I guess, to keep it from sliding around would also be an option. So let's get some foil and plastic in it and see how well it cuts. Stick my 2 in there, and then you just pull it over top of this and slide this across. Oh wow, that was actually impressive because this stuff can be so annoying to cut with the box that it comes in. So let's try the foil. Okay, that's really satisfying. I don't want to waste too much foil here, but it cuts it so well. It actually, I'm pretty impressed with that. Wow. All right, so let's get it in the drawer. So as you can see, my drawer is a mess. So I think this will really tidy it up. I could take all these rolls out, stick that in. Look at how much neater that looks. And if I got another one like this, I could put my parchment in there and my wax paper. So I can have 2 of these side by side and then just have my bags off to the side.